Pag-usapan natin tong report na to mula rito sa Al Jazeera kung saan sinasabi daw ng Iranian media na dalawang missiles, mga kapatid, ang tumama daw sa US warships sa Hormuz, no, after ignoring warnings.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on it. First time I seen ice was a
Pero ayon sa report, mga kapatid, dito sa Fox News, ayon dito sa report sa Fox News, ito yung claim. Iranian state media claims that Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps o yung IRGC hit a US warship with 2 missiles. Yun nga, yung balita dun sa Al Jazeera. Pero ang sabi, ang katotohanan, ito truth, no US Navy ships have been struck. US forces are supporting Project Freedom and enforcing the naval blockade on Iranian ports. No, wala daw tinamaan, mga kapatid, na mga Navy ships. In fact, ayon nga, mga kapatid, sa report, no, 6 na Iranian small boats ang pinalubog, ang ineliminate ng US military. No? So panoorin natin, mga kapatid, itong balitang ito mula rito sa Fox News.
Fired warning shots. Meanwhile, back to the truth, the Defense Ministry of the UAE says Iran did shoot down, or it had to shoot down, 3 missiles offshore as a 4th splashed into the water.
Ito na, balita na rito, mga tol, nagpakawala ng missile ang Iran papunta sa UAE, pero yan ay na-intercept ng UAE, yung 3. 4 na missile kasi yun yung 3 na-intercept nila, yung pang-4 is bumagsak daw sa dagat.
We understand those may have come from Iran. Brian Yenis is live for us in Tel Aviv, Israel, with the latest. So, Brian, some breaking news last hour. A lot going on where you are today.
No doubt about it, Harris. And so for the first time since this U.S.-Iran ceasefire was brokered 4 weeks ago, Iran is actually initiating attacks right now. We know that the United Arab Emirates missile defense system is activated. 4 missiles were fired from Iran to the UAE. 3 were shot out of the air, intercepted over the sea. The 4th fell into the water. We also know that Iran has launched drones against the United Arab Emirates, one hitting an oil facility in Fujairah, sparking a fire there. 2 other Iranian drones hit an empty oil tanker as it made its way through the Strait of Hormuz. And at this hour, right now actually, CENTCOM Navy Admiral Brad Cooper is updating reporters on Project Freedom, the humanitarian effort right now to safely guide an estimated 800 cargo ships and tankers and 20,000 crew members out of the strait. Admiral Cooper says that CENTCOM has defeated multiple Iranian ballistic missile launches, drones, and has sunk 6 Iranian small boats this morning. CENTCOM is
Dami nangyari, no?
strongly advising Iranian forces to stay away as it guides ships through what the U.S. is calling an enhanced security area along Oman's territorial waters. So far, at least 2 U.S.-flagged merchant ships have successfully crossed through the strait.
Dalawang US flag merchant ships ang nakatawid dito sa Strait of Hormuz ng ligtas, payapa. So hindi sila naharang o tinangka silang harangin ng Iran gamit yung kanilang mga maliliit na bangka, pero 6 na bangka ng Iran, mga tol, ang pinalubog na ng Amerika, mga tol.
Iranian state media, by the way, is now claiming that Iran fired warning shots at U.S. destroyers in the strait. It says that the Strait of Hormuz is its territory and is warning that any American interference will be considered a violation of the ceasefire. Just moments ago, the commander-in-chief of Iran's army posted on X, "Every inch of these waters is within the range of our will." The American aircraft carriers, with the stealth of radar silence, imagined that they could approach the Strait of Hormuz, but our response was fire. Cruise missiles and combat drones took to the skies. The security of this region is Iran's red line.
Yun ang sabi nito ni Amir Hatami.
Here is U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent responding this morning.
We are saying the Iranians do not have control of the strait. We have absolute control of the strait. We have blockaded the ships going into or out of Iranian ports. Their economy is in free fall, and everyone says they have the high tolerance for pain. Well, their soldiers will not have a high tolerance for not getting paid.
So ito yung response doon sa post na ito na sinasabing kontrolado daw ng Iran, every inch of these waters is within the range of our will. Sabing ganito ni Amir Atami. Sabing ganon nitong nagsasalita, hindi daw kontrolado ng Iran itong Strait of Hormuz. Sila daw, Amerika daw, ang kumokontrol ngayon ng Strait of Hormuz. At kung sinasabi ng Iran na mataas ang tolerance nila sa sakit, sa pain, pero yung kanilang mga sundalo ay hindi daw mataas ang tolerance kapag hindi nababayaran. No? Kasi nga mga tol, ang rason o ang layunin ng blockade ng Amerika dito sa Strait of Hormuz is para harangin lang yung mga barko na papasok at palabas o paalis dito sa Iranian port. Sa madali salita, pinipigil nila yung cash flow, yung income flow ng Iran, kung saan kinukuha syempre ng Iran yung pondo nila, kung saan nila gagamitin yung pambayad din sa mga sundalo. So yun ngayon ang pinipigil ng Amerika.
The ships going into or out of Iranian ports, their economy is in free fall, and everyone says they have the high tolerance for pain. Well, their soldiers will not have a high tolerance for not getting paid.
For not getting paid.
South Korean cargo ship is on fire in the Strait of Hormuz. They are currently investigating whether or not it is the result of an Iranian attack. But again, CENTCOM confirming it has struck down multiple ballistic missile attacks from the Iranians this morning, as well as taking out 6 Iranian small boats as it reopens the Strait of Hormuz.
Okay, so sabi ng CENTCOM mga kapatid ay sinalag nila, in-intercept nila yung multiple ballistic missile na pinakawalan ng Iran at pinalubog ang multiple Iranian small boats.
To commercial shipping. Harris?
All right, I want you to repeat that if you can. What's on fire right now?
South Korean.
There is a cargo ship belonging to South Korea that has an engine room fire in the Strait of Hormuz. South Korea is investigating whether or not that is the result of an Iranian attack.
So iniimbestigahan pa kung yung pag-aapoy na yon sa engine room is resulta ba ng pag-atake ng Iran o hindi. So hindi pa natin alam kung yun ba'y resulta ng pag-atake ng Iran. Pero ito lang ang malinaw ngayon dito sa balitang ito. No, itinanggi ng Amerika etong ulat mula rito sa Iranian media. Ayan, kung nakikita ninyo mula rito sa Al Jazeera, may ulat ang Iranian media na 2 missiles daw ang tumama, ang nakahit dito sa US warship in Hormuz. No? Pero dito sa balita mga kapatid mula rito sa Fox News, yan ay itinanggi ng CENTCOM. Wala daw barko. Ayan truth, ito yung katotohanan, ito yung claim. Iranian state media claims that Iran Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps hit a US warship with 2 missiles. Yun yung sinasabi din sa Al Jazeera. Ang truth, no US Navy ships have been struck. No? Wala daw tinamaan. US forces are supporting Project Freedom and enforcing the naval blockade on Iranian ports. At sabi rito sa report ay pinalubog o in-eliminate ang 6 na Iranian small boats. No? So ngayon, pwede ka magbigay ng komento sa tingin mo sino ang totoong may control nitong Strait of Hormuz. Comment ka sa ibaba mga tol.